My name is Tracy Jenkin. I'm a professor in the area of management information systems. And primarily my research interests fall into three themes. If you were to look at my list of publications, those three themes being environmental sustainability and IT, or green IT, project management and IT project alignment, and the third theme being discovery and innovation with data and information. And so really where my current work is going is really the third theme. So looking at data and information, data analytics and machine learning, artificial intelligence, and really trying to understand how do employees in an organization learn, make sense of, intuit, interpret the results of those particular tools to come up with new ideas and innovate for their organizations. And so one of the things that we often look at with machine learning and artificial intelligence is we look at building new tools, but we tend to not look at the cognitive aspects of that. So in many cases, these tools really flip and change the way that individuals are used to doing particular tasks. So if you just look at the simple task of how we find information, we're very used to how we search for things and what the result sets look like. But if you flip that around and change that, and this is just a very simple example, how do individuals react to that? Are they able to change and make sense of things in a different way? So that's part of what I look at with my research. So when I see PhD applications, I see that a lot of potential applicants are uncertain as to which management area they'd like to enter. So they have an idea of what topic would interest them, but not necessarily which area group that might align with. So some advice that I'd have in terms of figuring that out before you apply is think about the topic, of course, but then go and look at where that topic might be applied. So it could apply to several different management areas. So it could apply to marketing, it could apply to management information systems or management science. And so go take a look at the professor's research in each of those domains and in that topic and read those papers and see what resonates with you. Look at the theories that they're using in their papers, look at the research methods that they're using and how they're writing up the results, and find which paper, for example, really resonates with you in terms of interests you. Would that be something that you'd want to study in more depth? Do those methods, would they make sense to you? Is it something that you'd feel really comfortable with doing? And that's going to, I think, help shape which domain area that would be the best fit for you. In terms of qualities, I would say perseverance is one of the big ones. It's a long road to doing a PhD and then beyond that in the academic career. So definitely perseverance. Time management is a big thing. You're going to be juggling multiple courses as a PhD student, and then beyond that also TA work and research assistantship work. And also trying to actually publish some of the papers that you've been working on with your supervisor and your different research projects. The other thing that I think is important is to writing skills. So you're going to be doing a lot of writing in this field, and so being very comfortable with your ability to write is important. And then lastly, I think that it's important to have thick skin. So one of the things that in terms of doing a PhD and even beyond in terms of publishing is we do get a lot of rejection. And so being able, it's sort of related to perseverance, but being able to sort of look at the positive light of the rejections, look at the feedback that you're receiving and being able to weave it into a better product, a better thinking and a better paper that you've written. I think curiosity is also really important, and being open-minded and being able to look at a concept from multiple lenses, to look at your data in different ways and understand what's really going on here. It might not quite be what you expected, to be able to use that and turn it into something that's of interest to industry as well as academia.